Welcome back to the channel. My name is P, Need to Speed Car Reviews, and you read the title correctly. Porsche Panamera problems. First, we'll get a cold start and we'll check out what it is I'm talking about.
Release the Kraken!
Okay, so here it is, guys. I had to wake up the Kraken real quick. Let's take a look at the issue here. Check that out. That does not look good. Let's take a look at the other side. Now look at that. Wow. Check out the uneven wear. So, uneven wear on the tires. It seems like my tires is wearing drastically on the inner side walls. These are my second set of tires. The first set was a set of Pirelli P0s. I think I got between 16 to 18,000 miles on it. Then I switched to the Michelin Pilot Super Sports, and those had a better tread wear. They were also a little cheaper than the Pirelli P0s, and those wore the same, just like my Pirelli P0s. My Pirelli P0s wore out just like those. And so now I'm thinking I have an alignment issue with my car. So to back it up, my next set of tires and wheels was gonna be a set of 22s. But this is gonna slow down the process because I have to change that immediately. So I did buy another set of tires that are Michelin Pilot Super Sports, which are right here. The Michelin Pilot Super Sports. They're a little cheaper than the Pirelli P0s, but still you're gonna pay a lot. The two front tires were a little over $500. That was on a discount. There was only one place that I found those tires, and that was Tires America. So they have really good prices on tires. I'm not getting paid to say this by Tire America. So if you're looking for a set of tires and you're gonna order it and you have time to wait for it, go to Tire America, people. The original price for those tires, it was $300 a tire. Any place I looked. I went to Tire America and I got those tires for $60 cheaper. So I end up paying a total of $530 with taxes versus an additional $120, which will be the original price for those same tires. So go to Tire America, guys. With that being said, I'm gonna take this car tomorrow, get those tires mounted, and also get an alignment and make sure there's nothing else going on here. So that's pretty much it, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think, what the issue could be, because I'm not sure. I'm hoping it's just an alignment. It could be a little worse. We're gonna follow up with this thing tomorrow. Excuse the background noise, there's people out here cutting grass. They always cutting grass when I'm out here making a video, so excuse that. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon for notifications for new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.